Terry, first win as Llanelli manager. Some of your feelings at the moment?
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. The lads have done remarkably well, since we've stepped in. They've deserved it, I think, with the hard work they've put in, and we had our just rewards today. It wasn't nice a lot of the time, but from our point of view, we'll take anything, and a win, as you said, is the first since I've taken over, which has been great, and you never know, we might get another one before the end of the season.
Can you sum up the performance?
Yeah, first half was, nowhere near no energy, no real quality. They had one opportunity, scored, we've over-recovered. Second half, we huffed and puffed. We come out, we were on the front foot. We switched the ball, we got into some great areas and created probably 5, 6, 7 chances, but we just didn't have the quality to finish it.
Sean, that win's been a long time coming.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got a good bunch of boys in the change room. We haven't let our heads drop. We know where we are in the league for a reason. We're down there because we haven't been good enough this year. However, I think it's no understatement to say that we've improved over the last 5 and 6 games, and it's just come to fruition today that we've got a deserved win, I think.